Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another silk press video. Most of my videos are silk press videos. That's probably my top service, that and traditional sew-ins. And then we're gonna do a blunt cut bob. Now this is how I cut her hair last time. And she was like, babe, we're not going that short. And I said, okay. So we did a blunt cut bob, left it a lot longer. She did say she wanted braids, but the front of her hair is very, very, very fine. So, and I'm saying fine as in density, not texture. I know that's not appropriate, but honestly, it's just rude to say someone has thin hair. So the term that people are comfortable with is fine hair. So the front of her, the weight of her hair is in the back, basically. So you'll see in the video where I'm kind of like giving her an idea of what bangs would look like and the density of the bangs, and she decided against it. So I thought her little cute little blunt cut was cute. So anywho, that's it. I'm not going to talk too much, babe. I use the same products. I'll put them on the screen, of course. My healthy hair guide will be linked below. Simple guide full of tricks and tips to maintain your healthy hair, babe. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking